Hi, I'm Jordan Lombardo. I'm happy to be here on the ground in Jersey Shore. I'm really excited about the work we're doing here with Barron Builders and Jersey Shore Volunteers. Happy to see, what me and my group are capable of doing. We see the work that we have ahead of us, and I'm really excited to see, what we can make of our time here. Also, I feel like it's almost a gift for myself to be here as well. I mean, we're doing a lot of work for these families that have been taken out of their homes, but at the same time it's so rewarding for us just to be here. So I'm just happy to be here, happy to be representing Barron Builders at 16th Street J, and follow us there. Thank you.